In this video, we are going to see about types of animals. Come, let us see the three different types of animals. First one, pet animals. Pet animals usually lives with an individual or with a family. Now let us see some of the animals that lives with a family or with an individual. Here we have dog, cat, parrot. So these are the animals that lives with a family or with an individual. So they are called as pet animals. Second one is domestic animal. Domestic animals lives in a farm. They majorly help the human in producing the food. Now let us see some of the domestic animals. Here we have cow, goat, hen, donkey, chicken, rabbit, duck. They are called as domestic animals because they help in producing the food for the humans. For example, cow gives us milk. Duck gives the egg. Chicken gives the egg. So they are called as domestic animals. Third one is wild animal. Wild animals usually lives in the forest. So they do not live with an individual or family as it will be harm to the human. Now let us see some of the wild animals. Here we have monkey, tiger, snake, lion, elephant, zebra. These animals are called as wild animals because they live in forests and we cannot live with them as it may be dangerous to the human. So they are called as wild animals. So we have three types of animals: pet animal, domestic animal and wild animal. Once again, pet animal, domestic animal and wild animal. Thank you.